Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIOAQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line right there is coming from, and want to get things updated here. And just like I said in yesterday's video, your outlook on this chart is going to be totally dependent on, your perspective. Meaning if you're a day trader and you bought somewhere up around here and wanted to sell within, 20 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you the chart looks really bad. If you care about the big picture of things, yeah, I get it. The pullback has continued, but from, again, the big picture, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, and which we'll see right here. Now, in terms of that higher base, I'm going to make an adjustment now that we have more data after today. And, I've been talking about 5 cents as that level of support, but it looks like, the more accurate level of support and where the buyers are truly hanging out is at 0.048. And there's quite a bit of evidence right now to support that. I mean, of course, you have, no pun intended, to support that. But, right here, just you go through the entire day, and the price did a great job of staying up above 0.048. But then you look back at the previous history, and right there you can see the price essentially bounced right off 0.048, excuse me. So that is seemingly kind of where that actually real level of support is, as opposed to the 5 cent mark. Now, if you want to keep it at 5 cents, that's fine. I mean, it's still well within the range of each other. But as far as kind of just the pattern here that the chart is now showing us after today's data, I think 0.048 is just more of an accurate area of support. And again, why is that important? Well, again, let's just kind of keep things in perspective here. And again, this assumes you care about the big picture point of view. You will disagree with this if you had some sort of day trader / flipper type mentality going into the chart. But if the price comes down here again, actually, let's say it actually drops a little bit below there, does something like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards. From the big picture, what do you still have? Well, you have a set of lows there. You have a set of lows down here. You have these sets down there. You picture these as stair steps. And from the big picture, these stair steps would still very clearly be going in the upwards direction. So again, yeah, from a day trading perspective, depending on where you bought, things could very well look miserable for you. But from the grand scheme of it all, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build that higher base, and that's the name of the game going forward. But yeah, preferably speaking, if 0.048 can continue to hold like it's been doing, that would be the best case going forward. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.